Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset Asus ROG Rapture GT-AX11000 Wi-Fi router. Now before we reset, kindly note all the data on the router will be erased and it will go back to its factory default settings. So to start Asus GT-AX11000 router reset, first make sure it should be plugged into a power source. Next, locate the reset hole present on the back panel of this unit and then press and hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds or until the power LED on the front starts blinking fast. Once it does, then release the button and let the device reboot, which usually takes around 2 minutes or more. Once you have stable power LED on the front, it confirms that the router is ready for the setup again. Moreover, if you want to update the firmware or if you want to learn how to set up Asus router as a mesh node, then you can watch these videos given in the description. And lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my efforts. Thank you.